Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name Moses Christopher. I'm studying in campus AIPI Makassar. My major NAUTIKA level 1. Now I wanna sharing about my daily activity. I get up at 5 a.m. I go to the bathroom. After that I drink a glass of water. I wear my uniform and ready for eating breakfast. I usually eat bread and a glass of milk. Sometimes I eat fried rice and a glass of tea. I go to campus by motorcycle. My campus is about 3 kilometers from my house. In the campus, I study with my friends. I go to the canteen in the break time. I buy mixed rice and mixed ice. After that, until 1 p.m., I go home. At home, I take off my uniform. I'm hungry and I eat lunch. I eat rice, fish, vegetable, and a glass of water. After that, I take a nap. It's about 1 hour I get up. I do my homework at 4 p.m. I play with my friends. At 6 p.m. I take a bath. I eat dinner with my family. I eat rice, meat, vegetable, and a glass of tea. After that, I watch TV. I also prepare my schedule for tomorrow. Before sleeping, I pray, I wear pajamas, wash hands, legs. I also brush my teeth. At 9 p.m., I sleep and I say good night to all. That is my activity. Thank you.